Alright, up to now we've been using the health system from the outside. Damage, healing, rules, shields, effects, handlers, all of that. In this video we're looking at the core system that actually drives everything behind the scenes. This is the health system. And yeah, that's a big class. That's intentional. This is the orchestration layer, the entire health pipeline. Damage comes in, rules are applied, shields are processed, health is updated, events are fired, everything flows through here. Right at the top, you'll see a reader map. This is there on purpose. This isn't just a big script. It's structured so you can jump to exactly what you need. Integrating, debugging, extending. This is your entry point. Now if we jump to the first section, these are the supported seams. This is a system telling you where you're meant to extend it. Authority, rules, shields, invincibility, regen, death handlers. If you want to change behaviour, this is where you do it. Not by modifying the pipeline directly. Then just below that, we've got the inspector fields. This is the configurable state the component owns directly. Max health, initialization behaviour, revive behaviour, overheal forwarding, optional defaults, field provider, and the authority toggle. So this section defines how the system behaves, but it's still not where you extend the pipeline. Then just below that, we've got the read-only surface. This is the safe read side of the system. Current health, max health, normalized value, alive and dead state. This is what other systems should use when they need to query health. UI, AI, effects, debugging, everything reads from here. Next we jump to the public API. This is the surface you actually build against. ApplyDamage, PreviewDamage, TryHeal, kill, revive. Everything external goes through these methods, not the internal logic below. Important. This is a supported surface. If you're integrating the system, this is where you live. Now from there, we jump into the core pipeline. And this starts at ApplyDamage. You pass in a damage context, and the system hands it off to the damage processor. That processor runs the full flow. Validation, authority, damage locks, invincibility, rules, shields, final health mutation, and events. Everything happens in a fixed, predictable order. That's what makes the system reliable. And importantly, this is not where you inject custom gameplay logic. You extend the system through the seams we saw earlier. Rules modify damage. Shields intercept it. Handlers react to it. That keeps this core stable, while still giving you full flexibility around it. Everything below this point is internal orchestration. That's how the system works, but not what you build against. You can read it if you want to understand the flow, but you shouldn't need to modify it. And yeah, you could write your own version of this, but most of the time, you don't need to. This already handles the full life cycle properly. So this is the health system. It's big, because it solves the full problem. You don't need to understand every line, just how it's structured and where you plug into it. That's what lets you use it effectively without rebuilding it yourself.